Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question I get asked quite a lot. Can I access Monzo without the app? Let's find out. Hook, imagine you're on a trip, your phone battery dies, and you need to check your Monzo balance. What do you do? Or maybe you're just not a fan of apps and prefer to do everything online. Can you still use Monzo? Building context. Before we answer the main question, let's quickly recap what Monzo is. It's a popular digital bank that offers a range of financial services, including current accounts, savings pots, and more. It's known for its sleek app and user-friendly interface. Answering the question, can I access Monzo without app? The short answer is yes, but with some limitations. While the app is the primary way to interact with Monzo, there are a few alternative methods. 1. Monzo website. One of the most straightforward ways to access Monzo without the app is through their website. You can log into your account using your Monzo card details or your username and password. On the website, you can view your balance, transaction history, and even make payments. However, the website might not offer all the features available in the app, such as instant transfers or chat support. 2. Monzo card. Your Monzo card is more than just a payment method. It can also be used to access your account. You can withdraw cash from ATMs using your card. Additionally, some shops and restaurants might allow you to check your balance using your card. Keep in mind that these options might have limitations or fees. 3. Monzo chatbot. If you prefer to communicate with Monzo through chat, you can use their chatbot. You can access the chatbot on the Monzo website or through messaging apps. The chatbot can help you with basic tasks like checking your balance or reporting lost cards. However, for more complex issues, you might need to contact Monzo's customer support team directly. Limitations and considerations. While these alternatives are available, it's important to note that they might not provide the same level of convenience or functionality as the app. For example, the app offers features like instant transfers, budgeting tools, and personalized insights that might not be available through other methods. Additionally, using Monzo without the app might involve additional fees or limitations. For example, some ATMs might charge fees for withdrawals, and certain features might only be available through the app. Conclusion. So, can you access Monzo without the app? The answer is yes, but with some limitations. While the app is the primary way to interact with Monzo, you can also use the website, your card, or the chatbot. However, keep in mind that these alternatives might not offer the same level of convenience or functionality as the app. Call to action. If you're looking for the best way to manage your Monzo account, I highly recommend downloading the app. It's designed to be user-friendly and offers a wide range of features. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.